Hello everybody, welcome back to Unturned. Now, I'm down at the shooting range at Summerside Military Base on PEI. And Unturned had a new update where shotguns have a longer range. Now, we're going to test out that theory. I've got all 8 of Unturned's shotguns that are vanilla, and I'm gonna see how long range they are. I've got rangefinders, I've got all the ammo that you could ever need. Now, I had to clear out all the zombies, so you might see bigger piles, some modded guns, yeah. But anyways, let's start from the top. So, let's go this. No. There we go. Now, you got the sawed off. Pretty simple shoddy. Now, let's test out the range on this. Whoa. 19 meters. Alright. Uh-oh. Let's put that back. Let me see here. Give me the Devil's Bane. Give me it. Give me it. Die! Come on, get out of here. No. Oh my god. Okay. Well, let's reload this. And let's put you back. Okay, so let's get back onto... Nope. There we go. Let's get back onto the sawed-off. This thing used to have a very short range. So it was just basically a sawed-off version of the Master Key. But seems like it had an upgrade. Now let's see the spread on this from, seems like 19 to 20 meters. Wow, the spread on that is insane. This is all max skills, okay? This is all max skills. I just want to destroy one fence. There we go. Okay, now that's sorted. Let's go on to the quad barrel. Now, this you can only find on Russia, but you can spawn it in like I had to, just to get it onto other maps. Plus, this is like a quest gun on the Liberator. Now, oh my god. Wow, this thing has a... Dang. Dang, this has the same range as the sawed-off. Now. My friend's gonna be all over this. Oh my gosh. So it seems 19 to 20 meters with for the new range of the quad barrel. Now, let's see the Master Key. My nice, good old Duro Master Key. Now, let's see the range on this. It's gonna be probably a much longer range than the sawed-off and the quad barrel. I'll see this. Holy moly! $29.30 meters. Oh my gosh. Now I love I love the Duro Master Key. I mean, the Master Key itself is insane. Dang. Now let's put this back. Let's go with the blunt force. This thing used to have a very short range. Like, it was like 19, 21 meters. Now let's test this out. Whoa, 32. Wait, hold on a second. Oh my gosh, 34 to 35 meters. Dang. Oh my god. Now, when I get to the Determinator, I can't figure out what range it is. So I'm gonna keep the blunt force with me. But let's look at the spread. That's a very accurate. I'm gonna keep this with me. Now, let's go onto the Devil's Bane. Just drop some of these mags. I don't want them anymore. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna have an insane range, though, but this used to be 15, 16 meters. Now let's try it out. Okay. Oh, ooh, 19. Not a very big improvement. But very accurate, though. I have to say. Dang. Actually, I'm gonna pick up this lettuce and eat it. There we go. Now, let's reload this and put it back. Now, my favorite shotgun was the Backlash. Oh, come on. Oh. Wait. Oh, come on. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave that there. Wait. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna put this back. Put that in there. Let's reload this. Let's just spawn in a new one. Okay. Now, the Backlash used to be my favorite shotgun, because it had the longest range. And it's a secondary, too. Okay. Oh, it kept its range. Oh. Ideally, now this is the longest range shotgun. Still. Same. Has the same range still. Plus I like it because it's semi-auto and you can just still be in the sight. Without having to pump it back because it's not a pump action, it's semi-auto. Let's see here. See? Yep. Yep, it's semi-auto. Ooh, look at the sun setting. Okay, now, let's put this back. Now, let's go onto the determinator. Okay, now, let's just, let's use the determinator. Okay. Still. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's still going. Let me just take care of this. So about right here, maybe? Or about right there. Let's take the Thompson. Let's put you there, and then let's put out a rangefinder. Holy shit! 44 meters! 44 meters. Okay, now this is the longest range shotgun, but you have to account for the see, look. So it just went up a whole player's like length. Oh my gosh, as soon as I heard that, I was like, okay. So let's get rid of that and let's drop the Thompson. Now, let's go to the Vanya. Let's go Control F. There we go. Now, this is the coolest skin I thought, because, let me just, yeah, it has that radioactive symbol, and then this is the mythical of radioactive. Now, let's see the range on this. Okay. About 25 meters. I remember back when this used to be a semi-automatic, then it became a full auto, then all of a sudden it went back to being a, not full auto, but a semi. So now it's just the determinator. No, double bang. That used to be the longest range. So, that wraps it up for about this video. Let me just drop all this stuff. Huh. Let's see where this is gonna drop. Over here, Coalition. I think it already dropped. Yeah. That wraps up for this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.